I've been using the MatePad Pro for almost 2 months now, and I would like to share some tips and tricks of the flagship tablet from Huawei. First is the App Multiplier. App Multiplier is a system-side solution that splits the screen on an activities. This allows a seamless cooperation of the same app. For an example, on Lazada app, it can be shown side by side for your shopping comparison. With the Huawei Share, the tablet supports multi-screen collaboration. You may use the tablet to view, control, and even transfer files from your Huawei or Honor smartphone without taking it out. This brings a new level of multitasking. This is something that I use the most when I find writing is faster than typing. By double tap the lock screen MatePad Pro with the M Pencil, you can start sketching or taking notes. The writing is very natural and accurate, especially it can detect up to 4092 level pressure sensitivities. Still in the writing app, the Nebo for Huawei app is one cool app for this tablet. You're able to detect my handwritings and convert into editable text. The Nebo app itself has a built-in features such as diagrams and smart maps that can solve your calculation or some complicated equation in breeze. If you have some documents that require to have signature, you can launch the WPS and sign it off with the ink mode. The Huawei MatePad Pro Wi-Fi can be purchased now for Rm2,399 and the 5G variant will be available starting 26th of June 2020 for 3,299. For more information, visit shop.huawei.com/my. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.